I'm Susan, and today I'm participating in week 15 of the Margarete Miller Challenge. Our prompts this week is a postage or cancellation mark, and I've got this postage stamp. Text or quote, Earth, Laughs, and Flowers. It's by Ralph Waldo Emerson. I like that. Lines, I will probably be drawing those along the way. I do not have an encyclopedia, so I'll have to use the bonus. And the bonus I'll use is a name, and Janey Ruth is my mom's name. She passed away back in '97, and from her is where I got my love of crafting and cooking, and I miss her a lot. So I thought today's challenge would be appropriate. And talking of flowers, which I'll probably use some in my collage, she had a green thumb. Her and both of my grandmothers could grow anything. Her mother could just stick her finger in the ground, stick a piece of a rose off, and she'd have a rose bush. Me, I'm not, it skipped my generation, and I hate it. But I'm going to use my mom's name. And the last piece is a piece of a decorative napkin. So I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out, and I hope you'll enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm finished. I almost forgot my encyclopedia. Alright, let's see if make sure I've got everything. Postmark or cancellation. I've got that, and I've got that one, and then I stamped in gold. I'm not sure if it shows up on the camera, but I've got the cancellation stamp stamped throughout. I've got lines. I'm using the lines of the corrugated cardboard peeping through to indicate my lines. Text, quote, "The earth laughs in flowers." That is by Ralph Waldo Emerson, and I love that. That's funny. Encyclopedia, I found an image. I didn't have one at first, but I came across a picture of one. And a piece of decorative napkin, and that was what my background was. And bonus is a name, and I used my mom's name, Janey Ruth. I'm not sure she'd like the grungy background, but she would have loved the flowers and the little girl, and she was more into the like 70s bright color scheme, but that's fine. That was my mama. But I added in some butterflies to kind of bring it all together. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank Margarete Miller for hosting this challenge each week. It's so much fun, and I learned so much. And I did try to incorporate a few new techniques in this week's. I hope you like it. So if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. I really appreciate the comments, and it really helps my channel to grow. So until next time, bye y'all.